Introducing new EzCalipreLT point-to-point electronic measuring system. Main features: wireless Wi-Fi connection, clear OLED display, lithium-ion battery with up to 20-hour operating time depending on battery capacity, USB-C charging port, distance measuring starting from 235 millimeters, maximum distance 2.8 meters with 2 length extensions. EzCalipreLT has 3 measuring modes: comparative measuring, relative measuring, and datasheet suite mode. Sales package of EzCalipreLT contains Tram gauge, first length extension, second length extension, wireless USB adapter, software on USB flash drive, 6 pieces of 100mm height extensions, measuring instruments, aluminum case, USB-C charging cable, manufactured by Autorobot Finland.